Hello, so continuing on from our previous video of setting up the footer navigation, we're going to take a look at menu items. We want to create a label here. We don't want this to be clickable, kind of like my account over here it's just a string of text, no clickable link. We want to do the same with company, and we want to add our US website as an external link that opens in a new tab. So let's get started. First of all, we need to go into our footer menu and click edit. And under the company, we need to edit there. This was a null link basically before, because we didn't have anywhere to link it. So really, we want to convert this menu item from a link type to a container and update that. And now if we go back to our website and click refresh, we'll notice our company is now just a label, not a clickable link, which is what we want in this case scenario. So that's good. And then now we want to add our new US website branch as a link type menu item, and we're going to call this US website, and it's going to link to a URL, and that's going to be, we're just going to use Google in this example, just for example's sake, and we're going to click the open this link in a new window checkbox and click, first of all we need to nest this under company, and then we're going to click create. There we go. And now we're going to go back to our website and click refresh, and we'll now have company as the label as we expected and US website as a clickable link, and when we click this it should open Google in a new tab. There we go, as expected. So that's working great. And we will notice that if we open the developer tools and look at the link itself, it's got the rel no opener and no referrer for security reasons. So that's simple how you create external links in the footer of your website, no problem at all.